Good morning, students. Today we are going to read about wild animals. Open your semester 2 book, page number 3. Lesson number 1, Mothers of the Wild. Baby animals are born in all kinds of places: caves, burrows, or nest. Now, all of you know what is cave? Cave is the home of the lion. And burrows, see, underline this word. The word meaning is given in your book. Holes in the ground. Or nest. All of you must have seen the nest of birds, isn't it? Wherever it may be, the animal mother knows exactly how to keep their babies safe. Hares keep their babies safe and hidden under a blanket on the ground. A hare's nest looks like a grassy patch, but it is made of wisp of grass and mother hare own fur. Now, exactly means in every way. Underline this word. Did you get that? Now, what does patch mean? A small piece of grass, land, and so on. Underline wisps, thin, soft pieces. Tucked under, placed under a cover to keep them warm and safe. Okay, so let's continue reading. She keeps the baby hairs tucked under this quilt. She lifts it only to feed them. Every time she leaves her babies, she pulls the soft, warm covering over them. Now we will read about pocket nurseries. A mother kangaroo has a pouch in her body to hold and carry baby kangaroos. Baby kangaroos learn to hop along next to their mothers. If an enemy comes, the baby jumps straight into its mother's pouch. The mother now uses special muscles to pull it shut. Then she takes the baby away to a safe place. Now, here, what does nurseries mean? Places where the young ones of animals can be safe. The word pouch, a kind of large pocket. Enemy, a person or animal that wants to harm us. Muscle cover our bones and help us to move and bend our arms, legs, and so on. Now, all of you turn the page and we will read the nests and cradles. Many animal mothers do not have ready made nurseries for their babies. So, they make many kinds of nests and dens to keep them safe. A mother gorilla makes a tree cradle of leafy branches. The father watches this cradle from his shelter at the bottom of a nearby tree. A mother polar bear digs a tunnel in the snow. At the end of the tunnel, she makes her babies a cub room. Now, all of you look for the word meanings. Dens, the homes of animals like lion and foxes. Tunnel, a long narrow path under the ground or snow. So, all of you underline that. And now we will read about the animals at school. Some animal mothers have to teach their babies many things. For example, baby seal have to learn to swim and the mother seal pushes her young ones into the water. Otters play a trick on their babies. The mother swims out into the stream with the baby on her back. Suddenly she dives under the water and the baby has to swim with its mother close by. Kittens must become mouse catchers naturally. A mother cat boxes her baby's ears for its slowness or for not paying attention to her. Now, what does naturally mean? On their own, by doing something themselves. Boxes her baby's ear means hits the young ones lightly on the side of its head. Paying attention means listening carefully. Many animal mothers play games to teach their young ones skills. A lion twitches the tip of her tail, making her children pounce on it as if it were a prey. A raccoon flips frogs and fishes for her young ones to catch. So, students, like you all go to school to learn, animal mothers teach their young ones themselves. So, the otters teach their babies to swim, the kittens teach their young ones to catch mouse, the lions teach their young ones to hunt their prey, the raccoon teach their young one to catch fish and frog. Followed? Now, let us see the word meanings given in this lesson. So, what does skill mean? Ways in which the baby animals can look after themselves. Twitches, moves quickly and suddenly. Pounce means jump on something suddenly. Now, prey means an animal that is hunted and eaten by another animal. Raccoon, they have shown the pic, and flips means throws light into the air. So, all of you underline all these words. Now, we will learn about moving the family. Often, animal mothers need to move their babies to places of safety. Squirrel mothers often decide to leave an old weak tree before a storm. The mother grips the babies by their stomach fur with her teeth and moves them to a new place and safer place. When a bear has to shift her cub, she holds it whole head in her mouth. She is very gentle and does not harm the baby. The mother's love and care keeps her baby warm and safe. So, like human mothers, the animal mothers are also very caring and they take utmost care and attention for their young ones. Now, what is the word meaning of grips? It means holds tightly. Shift moves something from one place to another. So, students, it was interesting to read about animals, isn't it? So, now it is time for all of you to attempt the book exercises. Hurry! All of you try to do the book exercises and then check your answers with me. Okay? Students, after completing your book work, write all the copy work neatly in your classwork copy. And after completing it, learn all your work. Remember to study regularly with me. Okay? Thank you. Bye.